Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. We are looking at solving linear equations using fractions. So the first thing I want you to think about is we need to try and get these out of being a fraction. So our first equation, we have a denominator on both sides of 5. So that means we are dividing the top by 5. So I wanted to get rid of that 5. So what's the opposite of dividing by 5 is multiplying by 5. So I can multiply both sides by 5. Just remember, equal sign is whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. So if we're thinking about that, if we're dividing by 5 and then we're timesing by 5, all that means is we're cancelling it out. So we are left with 4x take 3 equals 2x plus 9. Now, next thing I would like you to think about is we would like to get all of our like terms on one side. So that means I would like to get 2x onto my left-hand side, and I would like to get negative 3 taken over to the other side. So the first thing I think about is to get negative 3 gone from this side, I need to think about the opposite. The opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. So if I plus 3 on this side, that cancels out. And then I've got plus positive 3 on this side. This is positive 2x. To get a positive 2x away from this side, I need to take it away. So if I take it away from this side, it cancels out and it becomes negative 2x on this side. And then I'm just left with plus 9. So I can simplify this. I've got 4x take 2x equals 2x equals 3 plus 9 equals 12. And then I want x by itself. So I need to divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 is just x, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So x equals 6. Now it's slightly different when we have the denominators different on both sides. So Addis, what do you think about what we did here? It's very similar over here. So if I want to get this 2 gone, I can say I'm going to times both sides by 2. So I'm just taking this and putting it on the other side and doing a different operation because these two cancel out. Exactly the same with the 3. I times this side by 3 and I times this side by 3. So that just means this divided by 3 and times 3 is cancelled, and divided by 2 times 2 is cancelled. So I'll put that equation over here. That leaves me with 3x plus 4 in brackets timesing by 3 equals timesing by 2, 4x plus 7. Now I can expand that. This 3 is being multiplied by everything in this bracket, and this 2 is being multiplied by everything in that bracket. So 3 times 3x is 9x, plus 3 times 4 equals 12, equals 2 times 4x is 8x, and 2 times 7 equals 14. Okay, so now we need to, like we did before, get the like terms together. So I would like to take the 12x onto this side, and I would like to take the 8x onto this side over here. So to do that, I need to think about, I'm starting with 9x. I would like to get 8x to this side. What's the opposite of plus x? Minus x, minus 8x. What's the opposite of plus 12? Minus 12. Plus 14. Now I can simplify it. 9 take 8 equals 1, so that will be just x equals negative 12 plus 14 equals 2. So x equals 2. Really hope that helps you understand how to solve linear equations using fractions. If you need any extra help, message me and I'll get back to you.